My name is Conrad Salazar, and I'm an IT project manager here in the city of Miami. I'm over the division that's called Neighborhood Services, and what I do is I manage applications for various departments such as building, planning, zoning, solid waste, general services, fleet maintenance. Our biggest challenge was gathering all this data and putting this structure of people together to say, well, here's this one place where we're going to put all this data and show it through this one front-end interface.
I'm Benton Belcher, MapDotNet product manager for IS Consulting. So the City of Miami engaged us in 2004 to come in and help them develop a mapping application built on the .NET framework. The challenge the City of Miami was faced with was developing an application that met today's consumer market, and that includes the public that aren't really used to using GIS.
Once we got our first application up and running, which was the zoning application, and we showed people how you can visualize zoning information, I think that made the big impact that we needed.
Microsoft did a lot of the groundwork on really understanding how the consumer views using a mapping application. So the easy part for us was the integration with the GIS and then integrating it with Virtual Earth.
Within 6 months, we put together a robust application that provided a lot of value to both the internal customers, the departments, and also the external customers, the citizens themselves.
Some of the cool features that it has brought the City of Miami website to life is the 3D control for Virtual Earth that allows the user to navigate around the city, to point and click on buildings, get property parcel information back. Not only do spatial analysis on top of the 3D control, but also have robust spatial data visualization.
My name is William Tharp. I am the GIS manager for the City of Miami. The City of Miami is using Virtual Earth to help it in three main areas. That would be public safety response, working with urban design areas where we're designing and or approving new buildings, and for tourism. The City of Miami uses Virtual Earth to provide officers and firemen responding to an emergency an unobstructed view of their site. It allows them to use the obliques to see the north, south, and east views to make decisions on how to place property, equipment, and resources. The City of Miami's planning department's been using Virtual Earth to get a feel for the 3D landscape of the city, and in the approval process of a new building, how that building would fit into that landscape. One of the things that citizens can do with Virtual Earth's 3D layer is they can actually go to sites without being there. You can actually decide on what Bayside would look like if they've never been there, Coconut Groves, Cocoa Walk area, even see some of our downtown through fly-throughs.
My name is Jim Osteen. I'm the Assistant Director for Information Technology for the City of Miami. What Virtual Earth allows us to do with our citizens is it allows us to entertain and to engage them in the process. It allows them to discover information about their community and about our community that they may not have realized. I think the reaction of our citizens to Virtual Earth and the virtual city representation have been extremely positive. It gives them a new way of looking at the data that we're trying to portray to them. It's a much more comfortable presentation layer for them.
Well, Microsoft's really made it easy for a government customer to quickly purchase their Virtual Earth platform and to build an application around that. And not only do that, but integrate with other GIS platforms and data sources.